Showring Ready, What to Wear and How to Act. This video will cover the essential things dairy showmen should wear in the ring, how they should act while showing their animal, and things every showman should know about their dairy animal before entering the show ring. A successful day in the show ring starts with making sure you are personally ready to go and dressed for success. Starting with footwear, showmen should wear hard-toe, hard-sole shoes or boots. Sneakers are not acceptable footwear in the show ring. Your pants should fit over the top of your boots, not be tucked inside your boots. Dairy showmen should wear white pants with a belt and a white collared shirt tucked in. Some shows will require a showman to wear a harness to display your back tag number in. Harnesses should be fitted properly to the size of the showman. Minimize accessories or anything that draws attention to you instead of your animal. Things like loud jewelry, sparkly belts, and big headbands, for example, should be left at home. Your overall appearance should be neat and clean. If you need to finish preparing your animal after you have changed into your show whites, you can wear a pair of overalls to help stay clean. For young ladies, it is appropriate to tie your hair back neatly in a ponytail, and young men, don't forget to brush your hair and shave if needed. First impressions can make a difference in your final placing. Be at ringside before your class starts, and enter promptly when your class is called. Pay attention to announcements the morning of the show, and don't be late. While showing your animal, it is important to be comfortable with her, demonstrating to the judge that you have worked with your animal many times before. Strike a balance between being relaxed and enjoying yourself, while maintaining a competitive intensity and interest. Maintain good posture and move confidently. Relax and have fun, but do not force a smile. It can be a distraction to the judge. Your focus should always be inside the ring, on your animal and the judge. Do not be distracted by what is going on outside the ring or who might be watching you show. Keep showing your animal from the second you step into the ring until you have exited at the end of the class. Never let up. You never know when the judge might be watching, as the placings aren't finalized until the judge gives his reasons. If your animal acts up in the ring, maintain a calm demeanor and never strike your animal. It is likely that the judge will ask you a few questions about your animal during the showmanship class. A few key facts you should know are your animal's name, date of birth, what age class she shows in, and her sire. Other things the judge may ask about are what you feel your animal's biggest fault is, and if she's a cow, when she calved and how many calves she has had. The important thing is to not be afraid of the questions or intimidated by the judge. They just want to learn more about you and your animal. They are not trying to stump you. In addition to knowing your animal's faults, you should also know how to move your animal to best minimize her appearance. For example, if she arches her back, touching it back down. Exhibit good sportsmanship before, during, and after the show. Always be a humble winner and a gracious competitor. Congratulate your fellow showmen who do well. Be respectful of show volunteers, and thank the judge at the end of the day. Learn more about showing your dairy animal with the Holstein Foundation's Showring Ready Workbook, which can be downloaded for free at www.holsteinfoundation.org. You can also check out the other videos in our Showring Ready series on the Holstein Foundation's YouTube channel.